what I was looking for like a little timer thing for like workouts or when I'm working on something. So this is something I've been meaning to pick up for a while. So open it up. The first thing you get two USB-C cables. They're both individually wrapped. So I'll just unwrap one of them here and show you what you get. By the way, these are rechargeable, so you do not need batteries with these things, which is awesome. And it looks like you have a way of hanging it up right here. You have little magnetics, so you could stick it to a refrigerator if you're cooking or doing something like that. Or you can open it up like that, and it just opens like that. How about that, everybody? Now let's just go ahead and turn this thing on. How do you turn it on here? Okay, everybody, they both came out of the box and they were not charged, so I had to put a little power bank on this one just so I can show you. I got the other one on charge over there. So right away, you can see there's two settings on this. There's like a low and then a high. You can see how you can really increase the brightness on that. You can do the hour. I guess you can go up to 10 hours. Yeah, so 9 hours on that. 9-hour timer. Minutes right here. Seconds right there. So you can get it all the way down minutes, hours, seconds. Check. This is what's really cool. Look at all the different colors this thing has. This thing is loaded with colors on that. Starting. So if you want 5 hours, 4 minutes, and 3 seconds, we're counting down. Then you got an alarm. There's a vibration alarm, and there's a high, like a really high alarm there. And it does have like this automatic turn off on it where you can, I guess you can turn it right there and it'll just stay on the whole time. I will be using this throughout. I like the fact that it has like a little magnet on the back. It's got a stand. Pretty much has a wide variety of that. And they are rechargeable. So you wear them down. You know what, you just plug them in like I'm doing and then run them off a battery bank or something. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 2-pack red, green, blue LED timers. Check them out. See you all in the next video.